Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Adobe Creative Cloud, access design tools step by step clearly. First, make sure your computer is connected to the internet for a smooth sign-in process. Open your web browser and go to creativecloud.adobe.com to reach the official Adobe page. Click the Sign In button at the top right of the page to start the login. Type the email address you use for your Adobe account in the email field. Click Continue to move to the next screen. Enter your Adobe account password carefully, paying attention to uppercase and lowercase letters. Click Sign In to submit your login details. If you are asked for verification, choose your preferred method like email or authenticator app. Enter the verification code you receive and confirm to complete the secure login. If you forgot your password, click Forgot Password and follow the reset instructions on screen. Once signed in, locate the Creative Cloud section to view your available apps and services. If you do not have the Creative Cloud desktop app, download it from Adobe's website. Install the Creative Cloud desktop app by opening the installer and following the prompts. Launch the Creative Cloud desktop app from your Start menu on Windows or Applications folder on Mac. When the app opens, click Sign In and use the same Adobe email and password. After login, wait a moment while the app syncs your subscription and available products. Go to the Apps tab to see a list of Adobe applications like Photoshop, Illustrator, and Premiere Pro. Find the app you want and click Install to begin downloading it. Keep the Creative Cloud app open while the download and installation completes. When installation finishes, click Open to launch the app directly from Creative Cloud. If you already installed the app before, you may see Update instead of Install, and you should click it. To confirm you are logged in inside the app, look for your profile icon or account name in the menu. If you see a message about licensing, return to Creative Cloud and click Help, then sign out, then sign in again. Check that your system date and time are correct because wrong settings can block login. If you are using a school or work account, select Company or School account when prompted. If you have multiple Adobe accounts, make sure you are signing into the one with the active plan. Use the Files or Cloud Documents area to access your synced projects and assets. If you need fonts, open Adobe Fonts from the Creative Cloud app and activate the fonts you want. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.